This artist's impression shows two tiny but incredibly dense neutron stars merging and exploding as a kilonova. Such objects are the main source of very heavy chemical elements such as gold and platinum in the universe. The detection of one such element, strontium, has now been confirmed using data from the X-Shooter instrument on the ESO's Very Large Telescope. Credit to this video goes to the ESO. So, this animation is based on a series of spectra of the kilonova in NGC 4993, observed by the X-Shooter instrument on the ESO's Very Large Telescope in Chile. They cover a period of 12 days after the initial explosion on the 17th of August 2017. The kilonova is very blue initially, but then brightens in the red and fades. Credit to the ESO.